This time, the improvised Guyline tensioner. Snake's 1-minute survival tip. Sometimes you'll need to tension or adjust your guylines. This can be accomplished in different ways. One technique is to use a trucker's hitch. It's a simple method, but can be mildly annoying to adjust and retension. A button tensioner can make things easier. If you use a paracord, you have to drill 3 holes with a diameter of 5 mm into the button. With a thin guyline, any button can be used without further adjustment. Well, that's it. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart.